In some cases, if you have lost the side button configurations, then you can configure them as well. To do that, we will use 5-finger claw here. So in this menu, we just calibrate the touch, and then we need to press OK here, which is I will press OK. And then right here, if we want to configure the keys, for example, power button, home button, back button, volume add and volume decrease. So you can select the keys right there. For example, if you click, you can select whatever you want to configure here. For example, I want to configure the power button here, so I will select the power button. And then for the calibration, I will start the calibration here, and then I will select the button that I want to calibrate. So if I select the power button here, and then I press the power button on the side, right? So this has been calibrated. Now I will select the home button, and I will press the home button on the side, and then I will press the back button to calibrate. Then I will click back, then volume add. I'll choose the volume add and then volume decrease. So volume decrease, so volume decrease, we will use the volume decrease, and then we press the close, and then it will show us the mappings that it has configured. Then we press OK here, and then we go back by using this button. So if I swipe down a bit and I press this button, we can go back. And from here we can see that our volume and volume increase and decrease buttons are working. If we go to some other menu like this and we press the back button, it's working. If we go here and press the home button, it's working. If we go somewhere here, let's see. Okay, if we hold, the power button is also working, right? Okay, so we are back to our home now. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.